also some motherfucker started up with a angle grind that's been going on for the last few days. Is it a coincidence that all this same shit was going off outside my family's house when I was there? This stuff also used to go off in Sheffield where I lived. Constant construction, hammering, etc. around the block. And this is a theme for all TIs, nearly. And you see how it stops again as soon as I start recording. This happened the other day with this angle grind. As soon as I start recording, the noise stops.